I'm Arya. I'll guide you on how to order from mwstuffs.com. Open mwstuffs.com on mobile and click these three lines in the top left corner. You can explore our designs under case types or by collection. For example, I chose the glass cases option, and I clicked the design I like. Don't worry about the phone model because all model names are listed on each design page below the design pic. Choose your phone brand name, then choose your model name. Once the model name is selected, click the Add to Cart button and verify correct model is selected. Click the Buy Now button to complete the order. I also like to add a clear case for my model, so I followed the same steps. I like this anime design clear case, so I selected this design, chose my model name below the design pic, and added it to the cart. Isn't that simple? Verify your model names and then proceed to buy. In the checkout page, verify your mobile number and fill your complete shipping address details. Always double check the address. Now, select your preferred payment method to complete your order. I chose the UPI payment option to finish the payment process. Hooray! My order has been placed successfully. These phone cases are a surprise gift for my brother Aaron, and I can verify the order details in the order summary. How lovely!